Hello everyone. Please check the link on top of the video for the best weight loss solution on the internet. Before we get started, there are so many different styles, fabric types, and construction for different functions, it's hard to know how to properly take care of your garment. Most manufacturers will include cleaning instructions. However, if you own more than one, it can be confusing. In addition, it is important to clean your trainer cincher frequently to avoid odor, skin irritations due to bacteria caused by perspiration. However, if you followed these general rules, you can never go wrong. Point 1. Washing. Always hand wash your trainer cincher in cold water. Never put it in the washing machine or automatic dryer. Use a washing detergent formulated for delicate fabrics, and don't allow your trainer cincher to soak for long periods of time. Never use bleach, and never rub or scrub clean with a sponge, for it will damage the garments. A quick hand wash is all that is necessary, and rinse thoroughly. When finished, gently squeeze excess water, do not wring or twist. Use a towel to damp away the excess water, especially if it is a latex trainer. Never wash your latex trainer with any other garment. The color can bleed into other fabrics. Point 2. Drying. After washing, let your trainer cincher air dry as flat as possible. One good way to dry it is to use a drying rack. Never allow your trainer cincher to dry in the sun. Depending on the type of waist trainer cincher, it may take 2 to 4 hours, some longer, to completely dry. It is important to allow the garment to completely dry, because wearing a slightly wet garment will stretch out the shape when you wear it. This can be true for both fabric and latex trainers. Allow to dry away from white clothing as to not cause color bleeding of your garment. For latex trainers and cinchers, because latex is a type of rubber, it can discolor if not dried properly. Another important tip for latex trainers is to never allow drying near leather, for it can damage the latex. You can hand wash your cincher every night so that it is dry in the morning, or purchase a few so you have a clean, fresh one daily. Point 3. Storage. Both fabric and latex trainers can discolor if not stored properly. The best way to store your trainer cincher is to make sure it's completely dried. Store separately from other garments so that colors will not bleed and ruin your garments. For latex trainers and cinchers, do not store near leather clothing, for it ruin the material. Point 4. Following these few simple instructions will ensure your fabric or latex and fabric waist trainer or cincher will do the job of properly training your waist for the beautiful hourglass shape you desire, and the benefit of them lasting for years to come. Do not wear with clothes or sit on chairs or car seats or anything that could absorb the color or that you do not want the color to bleed onto. Many colored waist trainers and corsets are delicate, and the color can spread onto other fabrics. When you wash, please do not put other fabrics or clothing items in with it. This will keep your waist trainer bright beautiful for a long time.